Hello, everyone. Today we are going to study tag questions. We use tag questions when we think people will agree with us. We can also use them to ask if we are correct. Tag questions are attached at the end of a statement. Let's try an exercise about tag questions. This is about affirmative tag questions. First, when the be-verb is positive, for example, Mike is a doctor, you use the negative be-verb isn't to make a tag question. Also, change the noun Mike into the pronoun he. Since it is a question, you change the order of the subject and noun, so you would say, isn't he? So, finally, Mike is a doctor, isn't he? Second, when the sentence has a regular verb like play, you form the tag question by putting don't or doesn't plus the subject. You play tennis, don't you? Third, when you have a positive sentence with a helping verb, you put can't plus subject. They can drive a car, can't they? On the other hand, when you have a negative sentence like you